Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from PayPal balance with IRS reporting, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your PayPal balance, first log into your PayPal account. Navigate to the Wallet tab located at the top of the page. You will see your PayPal balance displayed prominently. Click on the Transfer Funds button next to your balance. Select the option to withdraw funds to your bank account. Choose your linked bank account from the list provided. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Take a moment to review the transaction details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Continue to proceed. You may need to verify your identity through a two-step authentication process. After verification, review the expected transfer time. Click on Transfer to finalize your request. PayPal will process your withdrawal, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Keep in mind that withdrawals over a certain threshold may trigger IRS reporting. Ensure that your tax information is up to date in your PayPal account settings. You may receive a 1099-K form if you meet specific income criteria. Check your email for a confirmation of the withdrawal request. Once your funds are successfully transferred, you will receive a notification. Be sure to monitor your bank account for the deposited funds. Review your financial records to ensure that everything is accurate for tax purposes. Following these steps will help you withdraw your PayPal balance correctly and stay compliant with IRS requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.